everyone, it's Beth from Sweethearts Hair. Welcome back to another tutorial with the beautiful Bailey. She's doing another video with us and we are going to be doing braids and a ponytail style. Super cute, super easy. Let's get started. So we're going to start off by just sectioning some pieces off at the front and side. So I'll show you. I'm just going to fasten this out of the way. So I reckon I've gone in like centimetre and a half all the way down the sides. So I think I've got that even on both sides, more or less. Come back to this central piece. So all you're going to do to this central piece is just put it into a high pony. So once you're happy, pop that hair into a high ponytail. So next we're going to release these down. Now I've just told Bailey that she's got to tip her head upside down. She's like, too much. Like she doesn't have to go all the way but to about there. And I'm just going to spray a little bit of wax spray along here just to help with the flyaways. And then I'm just going to take a slice of hair. We're going to be doing a Dutch braid, but just from one side. So 3 sections. So we're going to go underneath, 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 don't add any hair, underneath, take a slice. I'm going to do a fairly tight braid, but can you see that I'm not really pulling? You don't need to pull to do a tight braid, just keep that tension. So keep taking those sections underneath, but I'm only adding from this right hand side. Get past the ear. You can start to pick the head up so it's not uncomfortable. So it only really takes a few minutes. So just add in these last little babies and then you're going to braid all the way down to the bottom of the hair. So I'm just popping an elastic in the bottom there and then we're going to do the same on the other side. So again guys, dividing it into 3, under the middle, under the middle, under the middle, don't add in, under the middle and just start adding in on this left hand side. So you're going to take your 2 braids and you are going to cross them over and then kind of fold them over on themselves like that and then just bring them into the ponytail. And then I'm just going to kind of wrap them around that pony. And I'm just going to grab an elastic and tie these 2 braids together underneath the ponytail. The secret is, guys, with back combing a ponytail is just take little sections of hair. Just push down at that root and just kind of trust the process, okay? So little section, nothing too chunky. Just be a bit patient. And for those of you worrying about damaging the hair, you're literally just pushing down once or twice. I'm only using a little bit of spray. And then later on when we want to take this style out, I'll just gently get like a Tangle Teezer brush and just gently brush this back comb out and it won't damage the hair if you do that. So I'm just bringing these layers back and then I'll just gently get my comb and just brush out that top layer of back comb so it doesn't look crazy. So as you can see guys, that cute little braid from the top just crossed over there. And I'm just going to spin Bailey around so you can see. Super cute style. Back to the front bales and I will put more videos in like this one with Bailey and I'll see you again soon.